Hello fans of agile coding. Today it is about the speed of software development with GitHub Copilot. Last time when I presented the results of our Copilot evaluation, I will link this video here. One management feedback was, yeah, but how much faster are you exactly? And yeah, by looking on all possible side effects, this is super hard to answer, but I will give it now in this video a try. I will do speed coding. I will code an HTTP GET endpoint 2 times, one time as fast as I can by hand, and the other time I will do it with the support of GitHub Copilot. So for the race, let's switch to the IDE. The Google clock is ready. So let's have first a look. I prepared a customer controller inside an existing project. The customer controller has a unit test. The unit test is sending HTTP requests to, first of all, to get a customer number with the help of an email address. I have also a validation check so that it is really an email address and not an invalid email address. So that is simplified tested here. And then in the speed race, I will build a second endpoint to get a customer number with the help of first name and last name. Here we see already the tests for it. And if I execute this test now, the first two tests will pass because we have this get customer number by email endpoint already in place. Here you can see the code for it, and that is also something GitHub Copilot will know. And then for the task of coding, I prepared a regular expression so that we can validate if it is a German word. And I have here a comment explaining the task so that you keep the overview. Then we will start, and afterwards, of course, those tests have to be green. So, ready, set, go. And of course, I'm not coding this stuff by hand. I'm doing copy and paste. So let's see, get customer number by first name and last name. Then we need different parameters, which are first name and a second one for the last name. Again, we do copy paste for this and that, and for the parameter here we have now to use add pattern. The regular expression is defined above, and again copy paste. I have to adapt the log message. Now it's name, and we have first name and the last name, and we did first name, last name. Then here we have, of course, a different method to call customer number by first name and last name. That is already prepared. Last name. The rest should be fine. First name, last name, and I have to update Java doc by first name, last name. Here we say, and okay, that's it. Let's see how correct this has been implemented in 2 minutes. So that was my coding time. I execute the JUnit test. Now I expect that all tests pass and are green. I hope that I didn't do much typos, but at least right now I don't see them. Feel free to add it to the comment if you see something. And the test failed because I did one typo here. I have to use name So let me re-execute. And there you see already the problems of coding by copy and paste. You always forget something and then it fails. So let's see if it passes this time by having a correct endpoint or correct path to the endpoint, let's say. The test passed, and now we can see how fast I can do the job with GitHub Copilot. So I will delete this stuff. I will also delete the task to give Copilot a harder time. I have to enable Copilot completions again. So I do a reset. I start the time and I go for the first line of comment. Get endpoint for customer number by first name and last name. The get mapping, and we directly get a suggestion for the first implementation, which looks super good. So I just take it. I want a proper Java doc comment. First name and last name, first name of customer, last name, and here we go. That's it. 37 seconds. So let's see how this works out in the JUnit test. JUnit test passed, so the implementation is okay. GitHub Copilot was, between 3 and 4 times faster than I was with copy and paste in this challenge. I even did a bug with copy and paste. So clear point for GitHub Copilot in this speed test. If you liked this, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. See you next time. Bye bye.